Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Teach Trash Talking Mom a Lesson She Won't Ever Forget.
A 2-year-old was found wandering in a Walmart parking lot and brought in by a concerned citizen. But things quickly spiraled into chaos when a woman suddenly grabbed the child and started walking away.
Whoa. Ma'am. Ma'am. Miss. You okay, ma'am?
Everything's fine.
Okay.
What you still calling me for?
Well, because we got a call of a juvenile that's, walking around the lot.
Because we're paying for food, so we have a lot going on. You can see that, right?
Okay.
Thank you. We're good.
Ma'am, can I get your information, please? We just gotta document this. That yeah, sorry.
You better get out of here. First of all, it's not even my kid, so you need to mind your business. He walked away. We're paying for food. You need to mind your business. You don't need to make a scene. You don't need to do nothing. You need to walk away.
Listen, we're not
I got my
trying to make a
kid.
scene.
You need to walk away now.
Listen, but
that's it.
Listen.
There's no fact about it. The fact is you need to walk away.
Yeah, but
there's nothing else about it. There's nothing else about it.
Somebody called the
Absolutely
cops.
nothing. Because the kid was standing up there, right? Okay then, we didn't call him, so we didn't need you.
But
I didn't ask for you, so you can go ahead now.
Right,
I'm not gonna cooperate because I don't have a right to. I don't need to. Go ahead.
Right.
Okay.
So I called because I didn't know.
Okay, so you called him, so talk to him. He called.
You're the
You guys
parent.
don't call. No, I'm not the parent. So that's what you need to mind your business.
But
go
listen.
ahead. All right, go ahead. You brought him inside, so go to bed. Don't get smacked. Get the out of my face, bro.
Ma'am,
I said it's not my kid, so therefore I don't care. We're done talking.
I get that.
We're
It's
done.
not your kid.
We're finished.
But
We're finished.
You're in charge of the kid,
We're
right?
finished. No, I'm not. We're finished. No, I'm not. We're finished.
So who
We're
was
done.
supposed to
We're
be in
done.
charge of the kid?
We're done.
Who was
We're
supposed to be in
done.
charge
I don't
of the
know. It
kid?
doesn't matter. We're done. What am I done.
So she was supposed to be in charge of that kid.
I'm not in charge of any kid because none of these kids are mine. Therefore, the kid walked away, right? Because of paying for stuff. We have 3 children. Don't you see that? There's 2 of us. You see that, right? We got stuff going on. No, he's being a whoever called the cops being a so now I'm gonna be a too. I actually walk away.
I'm not trying to be a
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Man, just talk to me then.
There's nothing to talk about. Are we going to
So this is the kid?
The kid is in the gray hat, but I'm gonna speak to the guy that found the kid. Sir.
What's up, buddy?
Listen, man, I appreciate your help. You did absolutely the right thing.
Listen,
So.
I wasn't gonna let the kid stand out there.
Absolutely, because God forbid the kid gets hit by a car. Do you have your license on you? I'm gonna take your information. Like I said, I'm trying to get her information and document this, but you see how she is.
So is the parent to that kid here?
No. Why? What happened?
Well, somebody called saying he was walking
he
by
walked
himself.
away. That's him. He walked away. Kids
Yeah,
do.
I understand.
We didn't see him. So therefore, we didn't see him. We didn't know he walked away. We went to go find him. Though.
That's fine.
Nobody told us that the kid was out there. We went to go find him. We found him.
Ma'am, I'm not saying you're in trouble.
All right,
Relax.
so then tell him to go to the cat. Tell him I'm not cooperating. Go ahead. You're not getting my name. You're not getting. Go
I
ahead.
understand, but listen, we got called here, so we have to do our due diligence.
Okay, so
that's
do what
all.
you gotta do. You see that we
So
got the kid back.
We
so
just
go
have to
ahead.
confirm who we're turning the kid over to. That's
Us,
all.
me and him, me and her. That's it. Me
I
and
know,
her. That's it.
But I
That's
don't
it.
know
It's
who
me and
you
her.
guys are in relation to the child. That's all.
They're with us, right? They're with us. He came to me, right?
Well,
That's it.
I don't
That's
know
it,
that,
no.
though,
That,
because-
we don't know you.
Yeah, but you see, I'm a police officer, right?
Okay, that don't mean what the that mean? That
So
mean you here
listen
for
to
me? No.
If it's not your kids, you're still responsible for them. You brought them out the house, right?
Right, exactly. And I'm trying to explain that to her
20 degrees outside.
calmly, and you see how she is reacting. So you just found the kid just wandering down the.
I was
roadway?
walking in the store, I just parked, and I see a kid in the street. I looked around, there's no parent, no nothing. And
Okay.
I called him on the record, and then I called the desk.
I appreciate it. What's the phone number for you, sir?
You weren't here when the caller called and had the child by themselves,
Okay.
right?
Okay. And
So
when I
now-
see the kid, I went to go get him.
I understand,
so
but
therefore, that's it.
if this lady
Then the
walked up and
conversation
said
over.
that's my kid, we can't just trust that. We have
Okay,
to
well, how
verify.
you gonna find that out? How you gonna find out if it's my kid?
Well, that
How
I'm
you gonna know
asking
that?
you because I'm asking.
Yes,
do you
I
have
said yes
pictures
already,
of the
so that's
child
it.
on your phone to
We got
prove?
pictures of the kid. We got pictures of the kid. Why would we have pictures of the kid? Why wouldn't we? Let me see.
Well, if it's your child, you probably have pictures on your phone, right?
Why would that matter? Then?
Because
Why
it's,
would that matter? You
it's
see
just
this?
so.
Look.
It's just so we can
Just Look, there you go.
confirm.
See, look. That's them.
Okay, what's the
All three
child's
of them.
name? Okay, I just
You
have
need
to write
see?
it down.
No,
That's
you
all.
don't. Get out of here.
Okay, well,
I'm not driving.
ma'am, I'm trying to work with you, but I
You're
can't
not.
let you
You
leave
need to
with the
move.
child unless I confirm who he belongs to. That's all.
No.
I'm trying to make this very easy for you. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm not trying to do
Alright, so
anything.
hurry up, because now y'all dragging it.
That's fine. That's fine. So what is the child's name?
It wasn't him.
What is the child's name?
She could care less about the 2-year-old's well-being or the fact that she's berating the people who found the child and ensured his safety.
So shut up! Get out my face!
I'm not getting out of your fault.
Y'all gonna shut the head and get the out my face!
And what's the last name? Ma'am, what's the last name?
She's mad at the officers because she lost the child. What type of sense does that make? That literally makes no sense to me. This is the problem. It is a big deal, but I feel like it could be solved in a civil manner. But with her attitude, it's gonna get escalated to a bigger situation. Off rip, like it's definitely just gonna get escalated to a bigger situation. I mean, she's pretending like the kid walking. Clearly, the kid was gone long enough out of your vision for somebody to call the cops. That's not like, oh, you're paying for something. He just walked off real quick. Oh, you grabbed him, within like maybe a minute or two or something like that. Oh, the kid had to be gone for a substantial amount of time for all of this to even transpire, because you see the guy found the kid, the guy called the cop, and then the cops arrived. So that's a long amount of time. And she's saying, well, you see that he's with 2 of us. So out of both of y'all can't keep track of 3 kids? I mean, it's 2 of y'all. It doesn't make any sense to me, man. Hopefully she get her attitude right, because this is definitely gonna go downhill. But we know how a lot of times these end up, and she's not gonna get her attitude right. So let's just continue and see what's actually gonna happen.
Ma'am, what is his name?
What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name?
Ma'am, stop scaring the child. I'm
No,
talking
shut
to
up.
you.
Talk to me.
This is not going to work out in your favor if you don't just cooperate.
Not gonna cooperate either. If you put handcuffs on me, you're going to jail.
Nobody said anything about putting handcuffs on
No,
anybody.
you don't have nothing to talk about.
Stop yelling. You're
Stop
causing a
talking to
scene
me.
in Walmart.
Stop talking to me.
Ma'am, what is your relationship to the child? Okay, the child is not leaving here with you guys unless we confirm who the child belongs
So
to.
what you gonna do? Because we can call somebody else then. What you gonna do? Because what do you mean?
We're going to find who the child
She's
belongs
the mother of the child.
Then why are you
Obviously, if we're here.
Stop cursing.
No.
Because you
I don't give a I don't give a
That's not your child, then get the hell out of here.
No, I drove him here. What the
You're
you
going to
mean?
get
Don't tell me
arrested.
what to
You're
do.
going to get arrested. You don't leave. You're causing a
I
scene.
have
There's
to pay for my
children.
Don't touch me. I have to pay for my
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you. Back the up.
Don't spit
Get
on
out of
me
my
and stop
face.
cursing.
So get out of my face.
Keep this up.
You keep it up. You keep it up.
That's your
You
last
keep
one.
it up.
Man,
You keep it up.
listen, we're calm. We're
I don't
trying to talk
care.
to you.
I'm not calm now. I'm not calm.
You need to be calm.
No, I don't. Get the out of my face.
Either leave or you're going to get arrested.
Bro, arrest me.
We're not going to sit
Arrest
here and
me.
deal with this.
I swear to God, arrest me.
And-
Arrest me. I swear to God. I swear to God, go arrest me. What you got? What reason? What reason?
walking your stuff
What
out.
reason?
Is it paid for?
What reason? No, I'm not
Start
paid for you.
leaving.
It's
Start
not.
leaving.
Get out of here.
What's the last name you take?
Excuse me. Get the
What do you think you're doing? You're
Oh my God.
You got it? Just grab something like this. You want to do this. You did this
Okay,
to
so
yourself.
what? Okay.
You
So
did
why
this
you
to
want to
yourself.
call my lawyer?
Relax,
You have a
relax,
watch me.
relax.
How I saw you are.
Relax.
How I saw you are.
It didn't have to
You
happen.
have
You did this to
you
yourself.
have a reason. You don't have a reason to do this. All right, so what?
Relax.
I'm gonna.
Relax.
You want to? Or you want me to take her?
Get
Go ahead,
off
keep
of
bringing
me.
it up. I'm trying to get the name.
Get off of me,
Yeah, that's the mother there. Hold on. Hold on.
bro. Why are you grabbing on me? I'm not doing.
Going away.
I'm not doing to you. Don't touch me. Get off of me, bro. Now I'm gonna stand here because you told me to stand here.
Keep moving.
Oh, okay.
You want damage any? This is gonna be criminal mischief.
We have one under.
What? To who? To who? Because now you throwing charges for no reason. So, okay. Okay, go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I swear to God, my soul. What's your badge number, bro? What's your badge number? Why are you doing that to my arm? Why are you doing that to my
Because
arm?
you're pulling away.
No, I'm not. Why are you doing that to my arm? And I'm walking right next to you. If you break my arm with my soul, I swear to God.
Miss Hothead quickly found out who was really in charge, and after kicking out the loudmouth, the officers could calmly get done with their due diligence.
You're the mom?
Yes, I have.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, and that's your child.
Yes, it is, but
Okay.
I had my daughter in the bathroom. I'm taking my daughter to the bathroom, and she was.
Okay.
Yeah. So
You're calm. I'm gonna speak to you. Okay. Like I said, you guys are not in any trouble. She caused all this. If she didn't get so excited and loud, she would not be in handcuffs right now. Okay. Do you have your license with you?
Keep running your mouth.
Yo, what the fuck I'm keeping my mouth? I got a right. I can talk. Fuck you mean? Now, swear to God, on my soul.
It's just behavior
on my
while
soul.
you're
No,
getting
I don't care. Y'all have no reason. No reason.
So you guys were here paying, and he just walked off.
no, when I came, when she said she had to use the bathroom, she moved her car.
And she was watching him. Okay. Okay.
No, they're all here. He won't do it. He won't do it.
Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of kids. I get it. Happens all the time. So here's your license back. What's the phone number for you?
You have any weapons on you?
No, you said weapons. You think?
Okay, I'm certain.
Really living up to the stereotype, man. Wow, come on, man. Come on. It's messed up, man. Messed up. Bad representation of us. I ain't gonna lie. She's given, there's a bad reputation of us, man. I'm telling you, listen. We don't all act like this, okay? And all the ladies don't act like this. You know what I mean? She's just a special kind, all right? I don't know, but I'm telling you, we all do not, act like this. This is just insane. All for no reason. For no reason. You not even the mom. So why are you even up in arms? You not even the mom. Like, you trying to protect the mom because, oh, that's not my kid, da-da-da. And the other lady, who's actually the mom, ain't saying a word. Like, come on, somebody need to take some responsibility here. Like the officer said, it's not a big deal. We get it, kids, whatever. It's not like the child was, whatever, but it's just a messed up situation. So clearly she can't handle 2 kids on her own, because that's really what happened. The mom said that she was in the bathroom taking her other daughter to the bathroom, and the child walked off, and she, there was another case that happened. If I remember, I'll tag the video somewhere above or whatever, or maybe at the end screen or something. But the girl left the girl went to work, right? Her boyfriend was supposed to be watching the child, and the boyfriend went off and did his own thing, and the mom ended up getting in trouble because the child was left alone wandering in the hotel for hours. And it's like, damn, parents are getting in trouble because they're technically the ones, it is your responsibility, but you got to know who you're leaving your kids with. This is the same situation. The police are called not because of necessarily the mom, but because she can't watch the kid for, how long does it take to go to the bathroom? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Like, and this whole thing is just, getting out of control.
With the back of my hand, okay?
You do all this. I got kids to take home.
Spitting on me.
But I can talk.
Cameron, you don't have to.
I don't care. My mouth is wet. What the f***? You gonna dry it out for me? You gonna air dry it? Are you?
Just stop spitting.
No! You arrested me for you done. It's cool though. I swear to God, my soul, y'all done.
Face that way, please.
Shut up. Don't put your hand on my neck.
Okay, stop.
Get off my neck.
On me. I said
get off my neck.
Nobody's touching your
You're
neck.
touching my neck. I can't breathe.
All right, you're
can't breathe.
For Agasaur.
I can't breathe.
I'm not even touching your neck.
I'm not even spitting on you. I'm talking. I can't breathe.
Give me the seatbelt.
Yeah, it's Agasaur because you're spitting on me.
I can't breathe.
On purpose.
No, I'm not. I'm talking. I can't talk. I can't talk. I can't talk. I can't talk.
Disorderly conduct and
okay, so charge me. Hurry up. I don't care. I'm not the mother of the child. I'm not the mother of the child. It doesn't matter. You didn't have no right to talk to me. None.
So, disorderly, and she's been spitting on me the entire time, so I'm charging her with assault.
I was talking. I was having a conversation. First of all, I was never spitting on you. I don't have a reason to spit on you. I don't have a reason to do that. And so after I dropped him off,
he's getting the rest of the info from the mother. This woman is not the mother of the child.
How long is it going to take? I have to drop them back off. I brought them here in my car. My keys and everything is in that place.
Okay, just stop talking right now.
Sir, I brought them here. I have to take them back home. They came here in my car. My phone and my...
Who are you talking about?
My friend and my family. What do you mean that's my family?
Okay, what is your question about your family? I can't...
When am I coming back so I can take them back home? My car is in this parking lot.
She's gonna have to make other arrangements.
So how am I gonna get back to my car?
What's that?
How am I gonna get back to my car?
How are you gonna get back to
Yes.
Figure that out when you get released.
When do I get released? Why are you even arresting me? You don't have a reason to
I
arrest
told
me.
you because of disorderly
But
conduct.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Ag assault on a police officer.
And...
And...
That had nothing to do with me.
Okay.
Why, you should understand my frustration. I'm in there with 3 kids and a mom. She's in there.
You had your opportunity.
Bro, but I tried to tell you I don't have nothing to do with that.
You didn't. You were screaming and...
I said I don't have nothing to do with that. I'm not the mom. I said I'm not my kids. So now I'm going to jail. I have to sleep there too? I don't even have any other charges, so what am I going to jail for?
I just explained it to you.
Okay, so I have to go county.
I don't know yet.
No, I don't. I don't have any charges.
Okay, if you say so.
The female was charged with assault on police and disorderly conduct. YouTube thinks you'll love.
Crazy. All that yelling. When you're doing all that yelling, you're not listening. You're not comprehending what's actually going on. She could have saved it. Like, this is a classic case of talking your way into jail. Like, this is literally, you ain't the mom. This is all you had to say. I'm not the mom. This is boom, boom, boom. This is what happened. Whatever, whatever. It is what it is. But she caused that upon herself, man. I get officers, boy. I give him maybe I'm gonna say 3 out of 5. I would say 4, but I think that they let her ramble along too long, because as she's getting loud, that is definitely disorderly conduct, because now she's getting the attention of everybody else and all that stuff. You know what? I'm gonna just say 4. I give them a 4 out of 5. They did the best they could or whatever, but they did get it right and got her up out of there. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for me. Let me know how well you think they did let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.